Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own Gorilla Tag fan game. This was suggested in my Discord, or I guess I did a poll, and yeah, it seems like a lot of people want a tutorial. So, first you need to get Unity Hub. The link is in the description. Then click New Project, 3D, and you're gonna need to install a version of Unity before you do this. Doesn't matter which one you install. I'm using 2021.3.3 F1, but it really doesn't matter which one you use. It's up to you. Don't use the VR core, use the 3D core. Name it whatever you want. In my case, tutorial game. You shouldn't have the select organization if you're not using Unity Cloud or Unity version control. Then click Create Project. Now while that loads, I know I should have done this earlier, but here's how to install a version of Unity. Click Install Editor, then install whichever one you want. It does not matter. And you want to make sure you have Android build support. If you don't have this, then it won't work. Unless you're only building to computers, but I'm guessing you guys want to put this on like SideQuest, or just be able to play with your friend by side loading or doing whatever. Anyway, once you have your Unity project open, you're just gonna do some stuff. What I would do, delete the main camera. You will not need it. So once you do that, go to the link in my description. There will be a page for the Gorilla Tag movement. It will be a GitHub link. So, and once you have it, you can either go right-click, import package, custom package, and that will open up your files. It should be in your downloads. Or you can do what I do when I actually decide to install it. And once you're here, just click the three dots, download. You can either drag it into Unity or, import package, custom package. Just import, then reload if that pops up. Delete the main camera again if it shows up. Keep the directional light. Now go to your project setting, edit project settings, XR plugin management, install XR plugin management. This will probably take a while. I just have mine cut down for time. Then when you're on the monitor, click OpenXR. Unity will probably ask you to restart it. Just click save. Once Unity's back up, click the little exclamation mark. Fix, change single pass to multi-pass, add plus Oculus touch controller profile and Valve Index touch controller profile or controller profile. Android single pass to multi-pass, Oculus touch controller profile, start plugin management. Go to the Android. Then click Oculus. Once that's done, go to Oculus, change multi-view to multi-pass, single pass to multi-pass, and that's all for that. Anyway, then go to your window, package manager, click the plus, and then type in com, and then add package from get URL, then type in com.unity .xr interaction .toolkit. It will also be in the description if you just want to copy it. Once that's done, click samples, starter assets, import. Now, I don't really know which one to install, so just install. Okay, well, I messed up in editing. So you saw all those things there. You have to go to your starter assets, so samples, whatever numbers it is, and then it should bring you, go to presets, then just install over there, and then go to your project settings, preset manager, and then default left controller, set that to left, and default right controller, set that to right, as you see. Just X out of that then. Now here's just like a little tutorial. This is your move tool, move objects, every direction, rotate tool, click control to do the snap grid, and then scale tool, different scale tool, all the tools, and then just drag in your gorilla rig. And then once you load in, you see gorilla tag movement. Alright, now multiplayer time. So what you want to do, go to the link in the description, and that will take you to a Unity Asset Store page, and it's going to be Photon Voice 2. Just click add to my assets, but you're gonna have to sign in first, so just sign in with your Unity, whatever you use to sign in with Unity. Then just click open in Unity. Now you're gonna have to download it, and then after it's downloaded, click import. Alright, then go to the second link, and this is Pun 2 free. Download, import. Same as the Photon Voice. Alright, then go to the next link. This will be another GitHub link for the Photon VR package. Just click that one, drag that into Unity, or right click, import package, custom package. Once you've done that, just click yes. Alright, now go to your resources, Photon VR, prefabs, then drag all three of those in. Once they're in, go to your Photon VR manager, and then change that to US if you're living in the US. If you're living in like Europe or around that area, go to EU, just whatever region you are. And then change the default roof limit. The limit is 20. For free. I'm setting mine to 10 for another thing that's later. Anyway, next you want to go to the next link in the description, which is for the Photon website. Once you're there, create a pun application and a voice application, but first you have to create an account. Dashboard, create app, and then create two. Copy the app ID right there. I just can't show mine. And then just paste them into that spot. Sorry it's blurred, but I have to blur it for obvious reasons. I hope they're obvious. It's don't want anyone copying my app. Then do the same for the voice and paste it into the voice. Once that's done, you can test it by clicking play. And now, after a while, as you can see, our player loads in and everything is working. So now you have multiplayer, and next I'm going to be showing you how to basically add your own player model. I do not have one, I do not have the one I'm using for people to just take, because, you know, I'll put one that you guys can use in the description and it'll work the same, but it won't be the one I'm using because I don't want people using this one. It's been very long making it, so hope you guys understand, but you have to find one, make one, or use the one I have in the description. Also, make sure your player model is rigged. If it's not rigged, then it won't work. So click on your VR hand, VR body, and just disable them. Keep your VR head enabled, and then click the little globe to disable all the UI. And then once you have your player model, create a folder, name it prefabs or models or whatever you want. This is just going to be a place where you can like store all your models, import new asset, and then import your thing. For me, I'm just going to drag mine in. This is the same player model used for my new game, the Null Void, so I don't really want people using it and creating clones of it if it gets popular. Anyway, make sure it's rotating the same way as your VR head or the name. Scale it appropriately so it's not ginormous, like mine is. What I usually do is make it so it barely fits in the head. And as you can see, this is about a good size, and a little bigger. Just so you barely see it. Now disable it, the VR head. Now put your model under head, not VR head, just head. And then go to my next link. It'll be for a Google Drive folder, which will have fast IK fabric in. Just download it and drag it into Unity. Make sure to like and subscribe if this helped you, or just like or subscribe, doesn't matter. Yeah. Why is it taking me this long? Why didn't I edit this out? I can't edit it out now because I'm doing a voiceover. I'm sorry guys, this is taking forever. I'm guessing you guys are just fast forwarding through, clicking off. I hope you guys are having a great day. Okay, seriously, why is this taking me so long? It's okay. I must see if I can figure this out in editing. What am I doing? What am I doing that is taking this long? Like, the past 2 minutes, I think, I have done nothing. Okay, finally. Now I'm importing it. Put it in your scripts folder. Or it doesn't matter where you put it. I just like to keep my Unity organized. Anyway, once you have it, go to your model Again, drag it under head, not VR head. Go under your model. Prefab, unpack completely by right clicking on it. Armature or bones or whatever. Then go under your armature or bones or whatever it is. Now just find your arm bones. So for me it's that one, and then drop it down until you get to your wrist, and you can tell if it's your wrist by moving it and it does this. Then add the fast IK fabric to it. Now you want to put the pole to its forearm, so the one before it, as you can tell, forearm. And then for the target, so I'm doing my left one, the player model's left, not your left, like, so then I'm going to put left hand as the target. And then do the same for your right hand. And then click the UI button, and then boom, if it's green, you did it properly, and it's like that. And then do the same for your right hand. Fast AK fabric. Right hand is target, and then the one for it as pole. And then you can check with the UI button again, or you can playtest. Now if I go to scene view, as you can see, my player model now works. As you can see, the arms follow it. And move my hand. This only applies if your player model has fingers. If I don't know what I'm gonna put as the player model in the description, definitely not making one. But make it so the hands face forward. Pretty much perfectly 90 degrees. Anyways, once you've done that for both hands, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want to see more, leave a like. If this video gets 5 likes, I'll make another tutorial. So, hope this helps you guys, and I'll see you in the next one, which will probably be another dialogue. So, bye.